Hello YouTube, today I'll be unboxing and giving away items we bought on sales from Jumia for Easter. Sales starts from the 29th March to 4th of April. We bought 5 items on Monday 29th and the items were delivered on Wednesday 31st within 2 days. We spent a total of 14,250 Naira and enjoyed a discount of 16,000 Naira plus free shipping. All the items shown on this video, you can buy them on my affiliate link below. So let's unbox. Item number 1, Unisex anti-blue light protective computer screen glasses, and it sells for 1,990 Naira. Okay guys, I just tested these glasses out and to be honest, I am surprised. These glasses look great, they look awesome, and no one will ever know that it costs just less than 2,000 Naira. I think this is a great buy for you to buy as a gift to anyone in this Easter period. It's efficient, it blocks out the blue light when you wear it. For this price, it's very awesome. It's a great buy, so I'll give it a thumbs up. We move on to the next item. Item number 2, the New Age 1500 amps power bank, black. This item costs 4,900. Hi, okay, so I'm back. I have played with this. Right, I have one issue with this product. The cable that comes with it doesn't seem to charge my phone. It's not charging, but I do have another USB cable which charges instantly. So this product is also a good product. It works fine and it costs 4,000 Naira. So it's a good product. You can buy this and give it to someone for this Easter. It's a good buy. The only challenge I have with this is this cable is not working. So, but I have my own cable and it works fine. So this is a good buy. Let's move on to the next product. Number 3. The third item is an AirPod, or shall I say earbud. It's called the Niversal Bluetooth 5.0 stereo wireless headphones white. So let's open and see what's inside. It costs 2,970 Naira and it has 69 rating. on Jumia. So in the box we have a manual, USB cable, and the item. Okay, so it's indicating that it's on. So I had to test these, so I've been able to connect these phone and they work well. So here it is, here are the AirPods connected. These do not have that much bass, but they do sound well. They sound very, very good. So I think that it's a popular buy on Jumia. I think you can buy it also. You can buy it as a gift for someone. And look at the price, is very cheap. So these are also a good buy. So you can enjoy these discounts and go ahead and buy these AirPods. So move on to the next video. Item 4. We have 2 wristwatch. This item is called the Geneva 2-piece of couple Luminous LED wristwatch. It costs 2,290 naira and it has 860 reviews on Jumia. So it's very popular. I'll be opening this. Wow, this is also another good buy. Straight, I can tell straight from the paper. Who will know that this costs 2,000 naira? Okay, it does look like a party watch, and I actually bought this for my son. So he loves the lights. So this for me is a good buy. And they're twins. So here's one for T and the other for K. So this is with the white strap. This is also nice. Both of them for 2,290 naira. So I think that's a very good deal straight from Jumia. You can pick this up now from the link below. Moving on to the next item. The next item, number 5, is also a wristwatch. Now this item is called the Skmei LED digital waterproof watch for men, women, and it has 3 ratings on Jumia and it costs 2,100 naira. It has some manual documentation. So here's the watch. Okay, so this watch has written here that it's water resistant up to 50 meters, and it has an alarm. So it works. The watch works. I'm able to set the time. So it's a good buy. But the LED, it's a bit, the LED too is there. I don't know if the camera is getting this. The LED is there also, so you can work at night. So this is also another good buy, and it costs 2,100 naira. We have reached the end of this video. I would like to thank everyone watching. I have listed my affiliate link to each of these items in the description of this video. Kindly buy using my affiliate link. And remember, sales are on till 4th of April. I will also be giving away some of these items to lucky subscribers. To win, simply subscribe, like, share this video on social media. I'll be announcing winners in my next unboxing. Thank you.